Well, hello, my people, and welcome to Father's Day in Brantford, Ontario. Let me show you guys what Father's Day in Brantford, Ontario is. Here you go. See? Catching fish, having an amazing day. Look at this beautiful scenery. But as far as you can see, people having a wonderful day. Fishing in for Father's Day. It's a beautiful, beautiful Father's Day. So all the fathers out there, this is Prem Singh wishing each and every one of you guys a beautiful and happy Father's Day. In Brantford, Ontario, going for a walk. Come in and get some fish for Father's Day, you know. So enjoy yourself, stay blessed. Here we go. Let me show you guys a little bit more. Beautiful trees. Having a wonderful time. Father's Day, people. This is Prem Singh in Brantford, Ontario, bringing it to you through Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. There we go. We'll show you guys what's going on in Brantford, Ontario. See? This weekend is all about fathers. And again, the best of fathers. Look at this beautiful scenery. Yes, my people. You're hanging out with Prem Singh on a beautiful day in Brantford. Beautiful day in Brantford, Ontario. Have a wonderful day. Make the best of every moment, my people. With Prem Singh. Can you hear you? Look at the scenery. Father's Day, people. Happy Father's Day in Brantford, Ontario. See? Beautiful day. Look at the scenery here. Hi, how are you, man? Happy Father's Day, buddy.
Thank you.
For everything hanging out. Having a wonderful day in Brantford, Ontario. Be sure to share the video. About love, respect, and making the best of beautiful time. You know? Making the best. You look at the scenery, people. Look at this. Birds, all these kind of beautiful things. Never wrong with this. Looking for my people, they might get lost. There you go, see? Look at that. Brantford, Ontario, on Father's Day. Beautiful Father's Day, beautiful weather. All these great things, you know. See this? Just relaxing, man, having a wonderful day. catch nothing. These guys don't catch anything. And here. Oh my God, slots. It is Father's Day. Here we go, people. Father's Day is in Brampton, Brantford, Ontario. Fathers, kids, and everybody having a wonderful time. Here you go. Like I said, man, to all the fathers out there, peace, love, and respect to each and every one of you, man. It doesn't matter where you are, how rich you are, how poor you are, whatever you do. Little things make a difference in this world. Enjoy yourself. Always remember, every day is Father's Day. Every day is Sunday. Every day is Kids Day. So not only one day, you're gonna go enjoy yourself with your dad and you say, okay, and that's it. Wait until the next Father's Day. Nah, it doesn't work that way, buddy. So happy Father's Day, man. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. From Prem Singh, all my followers, from my friends around the world. Here we show you guys a little bit. Look at this beautiful scenery. Look at this. You know? Maybe I never tell you guys, but this is one of my favorite spots when I come to Brantford, Ontario. It's one of my favorite spots. Always find things that bring love in your heart, bring peace in you, you know. Always find things that bring happiness to you. To all the fathers again, happy Father's Day. This is Brantford, Ontario. Beautiful, relaxing, and a wonderful start today. Area in Brantford. See? Look at these people. Make me feel like I'm in Blackbush, in my country. Here we go. Look like the bushes, you know. It's a beautiful, beautiful scenery, man. Enjoy yourself, my people. Continue watching. Your Prem Singh in Brantford, Ontario. A beautiful Father's Day. I just want to wish all the fathers again a special happy Father's Day to each and every one of you. And I hope you guys continue having fun and continue make the best of life. You know? Fathers is not always about money, richness, and all these kind of different things. You know, you have different ways you can do things to bring love to the family heart. So happy Father's Day, people. Here we go. We are in Brantford, Ontario, with Prem Singh. Having an amazing day, going for a walk here, coming and get some fish. You know, believe my people them. Hope to make this video for you guys. You know, it's not about editing. It's all natural, you know. It's all natural, my people. Look where I am, people. Look at this. What a beautiful way to go for a walk, you know. It's a beautiful, beautiful way to go for a walk. Let me show you guys. Hi, people. This is what I'm looking at, you know. See the water is right here? You know. This water is right there. Family is having a wonderful. Can't go wrong with this one, people. Once again, I just want to say happy Father's Day, guys. Hope you have an amazing time. On a beautiful, beautiful Father's Day weekend in Brantford, Ontario, people. Father's Day, happy Father's Day. You guys are living side. show you guys this view here. Look at this. Look at these trees, man. Look. See all these trails? You're going for a walk right here. You go for a walk. Enjoying all this moment, you know. Look. Natural trees, man. Beautiful Father's Day. Beautiful day. It's a weekend in Bradford, Ontario. Everything bringing it to you, man. Just happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Show you guys. I hope you guys follow me on Facebook, Prem Singh, and YouTube. And even if you go TikTok, you just check me out there. You're gonna find me, you know. This is all about life, man. This is all about bringing you some strange things, you know, from different places. Little things, man. Little things. Everything, look at this. Father's Day coming straight from Prem Singh, Bradford, Ontario. Wishing you all the father a happy Father's Day. Not only on this weekend, there's people here. You go, here's the parking lot. How many people come here? What's going on here? See? Happy Father's Day in Bradford, Ontario. Happy Father's Day in Bradford, Ontario. Everybody here having a wonderful time, so I just want to wish all the fathers out there happy Father's Day to each and every one of you. A beautiful weekend, beautiful rest of the time. So I will believe my people, not only one day is Father's Day each and every day. So happy Father's Day, one love from Prem Singh in Bradford, Ontario, saying peace out. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, have a wonderful time. God bless you guys all the time. Enjoy yourself. Here we go. Very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful view from Bradford, Ontario. People have an amazing time in Bradford, Ontario. So enjoy yourself, my people. One love, respect to each and every one of you. Have a wonderful time. Peace out.